Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I scored back-to-back wins on Pocket Option without a single loss. The best part? You can use this same strategy on your own account. So get ready. Let's dive right in. This is the method I use. I have a bot that automatically analyzes the currency pairs we choose. And here's the good news. This bot is super easy to use and has an incredibly high level of accuracy. In other words, anyone can take advantage of it for more profitable trading. As you can see, I'm placing trades directly without waiting for any confirmation. Everything is handled automatically by this bot. Just like I said before, it's really that easy to use. And if you want to try it yourself, check the description to get access to the bot I'm using. I didn't just test this on a demo account. I went straight in with my real account. Why? Because I wanted to prove to you that this bot truly works. And the results are absolutely amazing. Just take a look. Every trade runs smoothly, and the profits go straight into my account. So once again, let me make this clear. I'm showing you this on a real account, not a demo. Everything here is real, and so are the results. Right now, I still have 3 trades left, and looking at the results so far, this looks really promising. It's definitely a powerful way to grow my account fast. And now, just one more trade left. Let's see together how this one turns out. That was really close, but it doesn't matter. What truly counts is the final result. Look, this is my real account, and I'm actually doing this live. Now, let me show you exactly how this bot works with a 5-minute expiration time. The first thing we need to adjust is the trade duration. Set it to 5 minutes. And also, select the signal duration for 5 minutes. Keep this in mind. Your trade duration should never exceed the signal duration. So if we're using a 5-minute signal, apply an expiration time of 2, 3, or up to a maximum of 5 minutes. I hope that's clear so far. Now, let's watch how it plays out until the end of this video. And for everyone who's been watching, thank you so much.